Hello everyone! So today is our last day here in Amsterdam. Medyo nalulungkot na ako, pero we're gonna make the most out of it. So ngayon, we are going to two museums. The Holocaust Museum and the Royal Palace Museum. Now, it's 6 degrees Celsius. Malamig. Ayan. Yan na yung aming Uber. So, instead of going to the Anne Frank Museum, hindi ako nakakuha kagad kasi ng tickets eh. So, dito na lang kami sa National Holocaust Museum. So, this Holocaust exhibit focuses more on the murder of Jews in the Netherlands. Oh, wait. Thank you. Okay, this one. Oh, sorry. Yan, so nandito na kami sa National Holocaust Museum. Thank you. So anyway, bawal mag-video sa loob ng main museum. So this is a self-guided tour, kaya ito yung audio guide for the exhibit. So we're done na. So this area is not a part of the main museum. The exhibit definitely had an emotional impact on me. Grabe, kakasad. So anyway, we're having lunch here at this restaurant. So this is Cafe, syempre hindi ko pa-pronounce yan, di ba? Cafe, there. My husband got a burger, pero triangular yung kanyang shape. This is beef croquette. It's just a typical Dutch lunch. And rye bread. Yan. So from here sa Holocaust Museum, saktong-sakto may sakayan ng tram. Punta kami ng Royal Palace. Very accessible. So hinihintay na lang namin yung number 14 na tram. Tapos bababa kami ng dam. Walking ng konti.
Bababa tayo sa dam.
So we're here na sa Dam Square. Ito yung Madame Tussauds building. Ganda, grabe. Yan ito magaganda talaga, yung mga pigeons. Yan. So anyway, papasok na kami ng Royal Palace. So yan yung facade ng building ng Royal Palace. So dito yung entrance. Tara, puntahan natin. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-Royal Palace. I don't know where we're going, pero maglalakad-lakad lang kami dito. As usual, wala naman talaga kaming planned itinerary eh. So, yun. Tara, Dad, lakad na tayo. Lalakarin namin yung kahabaan ng street na to hanggang makarating kami ng Central Station. Ayan, so I'm gonna buy some Stroop waffle or Stroop waffle. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. And let's buy one. One Stroop waffle.
Thank you.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
You want this one? The classic one?
Hi. So I got the classic one. Some without anything on it. Ayan, so this is a classic stroop waffle or stroop waffle. Ewan ko anong tama dun. Ayan, malapit na kami sa Amsterdam Central. Ayan, dito, ayan yung ano. Ayan yung pier for the canal cruise. I'm just gonna take a moment and enjoy the view. Uwi na kami bukas eh. Okay, last few hours na lang namin dito sa Netherlands. So I'm just gonna show you a parang small mall kung saan kami bumibili ng Indonesian food. Yan yung sinasabi ko siyang maliit lang na mall. Diyan, papasok tayo dyan ngayon. Yan yung entrance. O diba? Napakalungkot na mall. Walang tao. Ilan-ilan lang. Yan, so yan yung Kruidvat. Diyan ako nakabili ng mga kasalubong na makeup for my kids, yung Catrice and Essence. Yan na. This is our last dinner here in Amsterdam. Sukarasa. So I got a beef soya, tofu, and eggplant. Si husband got a beef rendang, rice, and vegetables. Good morning! So uwi na kami today. We're just waiting for our Uber ride. We're on our way to the airport na. And I just wanna say I'm just grateful to be here. Hopefully madala ko yung mga children namin dito soon. And so this is the Amsterdam Schiphol Airport departure area. Diyan kami mamaya. Ang Emirates dyan sa number 29. Check-in daw later sa 10:40. Yung aga namin. Grabe talaga tong asawa ko. Gusto niya lagi maaga. Anyway, bumaba kami dito sa sa may arrival area para maghanap ng makakainan. So far dito ang daming restaurants and we chose ito, Food Mediterranean per tutti. I got myself a cannoli and then si husband pasta. Anyway, yung gate namin is gate G9. So, kakapasok lang namin dito. Yung G, yun nga nakikita ko from here. Ayun na yung sa malayo. It says G8. So, ibig sabihin malayo pang lalakarin namin. OMG. Okay. G3 pa lang. Ang haba na nilakad ko. Doon galing yan, no? So, dito. G3 pa lang. G9 kami. Super layo pa pala nito. So, ayan na nga. Nandito na kami sa Dubai Airport. So, ang layover namin dito is around 9 hours and we were given free accommodation by Emirates sa Copthorne Hotel. Ang laki pala ng airport talaga ng Dubai. So, mag-exit na kami sa exit 3. Ayan. So, nakasakay na kami sa free shuttle bus going to Copthorne Hotel. We're here at Copthorne Hotel. So, mag-check-in muna kami and then I'll show you the room. So, it's 1:30 a.m. So, this is the room here in Copthorne. Sobrang laki ng kwarto. Tapos, dalawa yung kama. Yan. So, bibigyan daw kami ng wake-up call at 6 a.m. And then, we should leave by 6:30. Kasi, migration ulit and all eh. So, talagang pahinga lang dito by mga 4 hours. Talagang rest lang. So, this is how it looks like. It's carpeted. Yeah, but all I can say, it's really big. So, sobrang laking kwarto. May TV, may mahabang desk. Tapos, ayan yung may water, may closet. Diyan din, meron ding safe. And ito, look at the bathroom. Oh, that is a big bathroom. Ayan, so maliligo lang ako. So, iidlip lang ako siguro talaga. Yung toilet. Very nice and clean. Hello, so magbe-breakfast na muna kami and then after that, susunduin na kami ng shuttle bus going back to the airport. So I'll eat my breakfast muna. Hanggang dito na lang. I'm going back to the Philippines. This is Nell. Bye!